Today we are learning chapter 6, Young Ones of Animals. In this chapter, we are going to learn which animals lay eggs and which animals give birth to young ones. We are also going to learn what these young ones of animals are called, what mammals are, and all the stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. Like humans, animals also have their young ones. Some animals lay eggs and make their young ones. These animals are called as oviparous animals. Here are a few examples of oviparous animals. A snake, a spider, an octopus, a turtle, penguin, bird. Some animals that lay eggs are listed below. Fish, frogs. There are also young ones of hens which are called as chicks. Let's explore. Sarah has come to the zoo with her parents and she sees a lot of animals. But do you know what she also sees? Baby animals. Also, do this exercise and spot the trees around you. In these trees, if you see any nests, remember that the nests are where the birds lay their eggs. Some animals directly give birth to their young ones. These animals are called as mammals. Monkeys, elephants, dolphins and pigs are a few examples of mammals. Young ones of ducks are called ducklings. Young one of a frog is called as a tadpole. Young ones of a butterfly are called caterpillars. Young ones of a kangaroo are called as joey. Kid is the young one of a goat. Kit is the young one of a rabbit. The young one of a deer is called as a fawn. Lamb is the young one of a sheep. Calf is the young one of a cow. Foal is the young one of a donkey. The young one of a horse is called a colt. The young one of an elephant is called as a calf. Cubs are young ones of lions. Infants are young ones of monkey. And the young one of a tiger is called a cub. Did you know that the largest eggs are laid by the ostrich? And the largest mammal on land is the African elephant. And the largest mammal on earth is the blue whale. Animals also look after their young ones till they grow up. Not all animal babies look like their parents. For example, let us look at the life cycle of a butterfly. Stage 1. The egg. First, a butterfly lays her eggs. These eggs are very small. Stage 2. The larva. After about 5 days, this egg breaks and a tiny worm called the larva comes out of each egg. This worm is called the caterpillar. The caterpillar eats the leaf it was born in and grows very fast. Stage 3. The pupa. Then the caterpillar forms a pupa. The pupa is brown or green in color. At this stage, the caterpillar inside the pupa changes into a butterfly. Stage 4. The butterfly. Finally, the pupa opens up. A butterfly comes out of the pupa. The butterfly is colorful with soft wings. Till now, we have learned that eggs are small objects with shells which are made by birds. We also learned that mammals and pupa are animals which give birth to their young ones, and oviparous are animals that lay eggs.